Hi guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 26th day of English speaking challenge. So today I got a little late by 10 minutes. So don't worry, I'll cover it up. I'll manage this. Okay, I'll manage it. Okay. So let's start our video. So what to speak here? What to speak and how to speak? Which topic I should take? Which topic I should choose? So do you have any idea? Then give me. Comment me in the comment box. Then comment me. I will read the comment box, and if I would write, and if I would like any of the comment, then I will pick it and I will pick it up, and I'll make the video about that. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start our video. So guys, I want to talk about yesterday. So yesterday I could not do anything. I could not do any productive things, and I regret it also. At the end of the at the end of the day, I was regretting. When I was on the bed now, so that time I was regretting that I couldn't do anything productive today. And I like doing, and I like doing, and I love doing productive things every day, each day. Because when I used to be at my work, so over there I used to do, I used to do reading. I used to do reading and listening both. Both these things I used to do at my workplace where I used to be. Okay, so over there I used to do these things. But when I used to be at my home, generally on Friday, usually on Friday, so I'm unable to do the things that I do at my office. So so I was regretting very much at the end of the day. Yes, when I was on when I was on the when I was on when I was on the bed now, so that time I was thinking of this, that I shouldn't have done this. I shouldn't have done this. I should have done something productive today. Yes, but I couldn't. But I couldn't. Yes. So no matter, no matter. Don't worry at all. I can do this even now. I can do that. I can do that even now. Even now. I can do that even now. Okay. So let me speak. Let me speak more about yesterday. Let me speak more about yesterday. Okay. I have a lots of things. I did a lot of things. I did a lot of things. I did several things yesterday. So first of all, I think I woke up at 5:30. Yes, and after that I made a video. I made 3 videos. I shot 3 videos. Yes, I shot 3 videos, and after that I went I went down. I went down. I went down to my I went down to the terrace, and I brushed. And after that I brushed my teeth, and I just I just did I just I just did gargle. I just did gargle, and after that I feed the motor. And after that I feed the motor, and we fill the water. We fill we filled our we filled our we filled some drinking water tubs and buckets. And after that I took the pipe to I took the pipe. I gave the pipe to Neha. She also filled some water. She filled she filled the syntax as well. And after that and after that and after that I and after that I think and after that I think at 9 o'clock the water stopped coming. The water stopped coming. Yes. And and they they opened the motor also. They opened the motor also. And thereafter they opened the motor also. They wrapped the wire also. They wrapped the wire also. She wrapped the wire also. And she was she was she wrapped the wire also. And after that she brought the motor into my room. She brought the motor into my room. She brought the motor into my room, and after that, I was, and after that I was doing something. I was in the kitchen that time. I was in the kitchen that time. I was making the I was making the milk. I was making the milk hot. I was making the milk hot. So after making the hot of the milk, I I took the milk. I took the milk and took it. I took the milk and take it away from there and take it away and took it away from there. I took the milk and took it away from there. And after that, and after that, I, I use no. And after that, I sat on my bed and on, I sat on my bed, and over there, I was drinking. I was drinking milk. I was drinking milk, and I took out a toast. I took out a toast from the box where it is where the toast are generally kept, where the toast are generally placed. So I took out a toast. I took out a toast and from the box where the toast are generally placed. And after that, and after that, I I tested it. I tested it. I ate three. I I ate at least three toast. I ate at least three toast. And after that, and after that, I took my phone. I took my phone and I took my earbuds also, and I took my Bluetooth earbuds also, and one of in one of my ear, in one of my ear, I put it on. In one of my ear, I put it on, and I touched the sensor of the phone, and the screen opened. And after that, my phone unlocked. My phone unlocked automatically when I touched the sensor. So that time my phone got unlocked. My phone got unlocked, and first of all I go to YouTube. I went to YouTube, and over there I searched Alina Rice video. Multiple of videos were coming of Alina Rice. So I selected one of the video that I had to watch, so one video, so a video came, and I started, and I made it play, and I let it, and I played it, and after that the video started playing, and I was listening to the video, that what is being told in this video, what was being told in this video. So I was listening to that. But very carefully, very mindfully, yes, very carefully, very mindfully, and I was getting each and every word that are being expressed, that were being expressed in the videos. So each and every words of hers I like. I really like. I really like the way she speaks, and I like copying her sometimes. And she used to tell her videos that if you want to improve your com skill, then you need to be consistent with it. Otherwise, stop doing and don't do it. Okay, don't need to do it. Otherwise, you will never get the result that you are expecting from you. So I have to tell you that be consistent with your goal. Otherwise, you will get continue you will get only you will get continue getting what you are doing daily. So you otherwise you will continue getting that you continue that you continue getting every day. Okay, so I have to tell you that don't try to learn that way. Try to improve. Your ways. Try to improve the ways. try to use another, try to use the method, try to use the techniques. So guys, this is all about today. I'll see you at the, so guys, this is all about today. I'll see you at the same time at the same place. So guys, this is all about today. I'll be back more such videos, but tomorrow onwards. Until you take care, bye.